Today I'm here at the Bend Motorsport Park as part of the Supercheap Auto Club Development Fund in association with Motorsport Australia to have a look at one of the clubs that's receiving some funding from this development fund, the Circuit Excel Association of South Australia. So I'm here with Aaron Oliver. Aaron, you've been racing Excels for quite a few years now. Can you tell me what it means to you to be part of this association and what you love about racing Excels?
So I started the category back in 2019 and that, and Excels is a great grassroots category to get into. For me, it was straight out of go-karts. It was the first step I took into circuit racing out on track. And it's just absolutely fantastic, with the large grid numbers as such and the closed environment, and it's awesome.
Speaking of the large grid numbers, they just seem to be getting bigger and bigger. What is it about this category and this format you think that works so well?
I think it's the affordability to get into it. Anyone can go out there and buy an XL, put a roll cage in it, all the safety requirements and that, and you can go out on track and have a bit of fun, But then it's also the competitive side of it as well, There are teams out there and drivers, that do like to spend a bit more, but it's open for everyone and everyone can get out on track and have a bit of fun and go racing.
And the Circuit Excel Association of South Australia is one of the recipients of the Supercheap Auto Club Development Fund. Just what does that mean to you? How much of an impact is that going to have to your association?
Yeah, certainly. Well, it's going to be great for the association. At state events at the moment, we don't have a lot of media coverage apart from the Facebook posts and that Lisa does. She does an awesome job, by the way. Shout out to Lisa. So it's going to give us the opportunity to promote our events as also the individual drivers out on track, and just give us as a category and as a club just that bit more promotional side of things and just make us look a little bit more professional.
And for people that are watching this that might want to get involved and see how they go about racing an Excel or getting involved in any way, what would be your advice to them?
I suggest anyone out there to come out to a state championship meeting or a meeting like this weekend out here at the Bend and see the Excel racing for itself. But other than that, you can jump online, go on Facebook or on the Circuit Excel website, and it shows us all racing and what the category is really about.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for your time, Aaron, and all the best with your racing as well.
Yeah, thank you very much.
And if you want to find out more about the Supercheap Auto Club Development Fund, head to motorsport.org.au/Club Development Fund.